This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeff Chancey. Very nice 4-bedroom 2-bathroom split floor plan home. Concrete block construction with over 2,000 living square feet. Open modern floor plan, great for entertaining. Large kitchen with SS appliances. Large breakfast bar. Front bedroom with French doors makes a great home office. Oversized master suite. Bathroom features 2 vanities and amp, walk-in shower. Guest bathtub/shower. Brand new wood look vinyl plank flooring in main living areas. New stove and amp, sink, AC is 1 year old. Newer water softener. Blinds and fans in all the rooms. Privacy fenced backyard, and large screened porch. For more information, review the details below.